Hi friends, in this video, I'll show you how to remove your browsing history on Google Chrome using your Android phone. Whether you want to protect your privacy, clear old browsing records, or simply keep your browser clean, the process only takes a minute. Start by opening the Google Chrome app on your Android device. Once Chrome is open, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the screen. If your address bar appears at the bottom instead, swipe up on it to reveal the menu, then tap the three dots. A list of options will appear. Tap History to view all the websites you've recently visited. On the History page, look at the bottom of the screen and tap Delete Browsing Data. Now it's time to decide how much browsing history you want to erase. Tap Time Range and choose from the available options, including last 15 minutes, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. Select the one that matches your preference. Next, check that browsing history is selected. If you also want to remove saved cookies or cached files, you can tick those options as well. Keep in mind that clearing cookies may sign you out of websites, while deleting cached files can help free up some storage space. When everything is ready, tap Delete Data to confirm your choice. Chrome will immediately remove the selected browsing history from your device. Your Chrome browsing history is now cleared. If this guide was useful, hit like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions.